Hello and a very warm welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I want to talk about the real estate market in the city of Milan, Italy, and give you some advantages and disadvantages and examples of property that you can get in Milan. Now, Milan is the business capital of Italy, even though it's not the capital Rome is, but what Milan has, which I think, well, it's got quite a few advantages. So the stock market here is based here and not in Rome. Also, Milan is actually the fashion capital of Italy as well. It's got an excellent healthcare system, and it's home to about 1/3 of multinationals that have a presence in Italy. Milan is actually also in the top 15 cities for foreign investment in real estate. And if we look at the GDP per capita, it's around 50,000 euros per head, which is actually really good. In actual fact, it's not too far off London. However, the average salary in Milan is only about 1,700 euros per month net. But why is this? This is because most companies, in actual fact, in Italy and also in Milan, are quite small. So you've got a lot of rich individuals that own businesses that do not employ too many people. And in actual fact, the multinationals that do employ people don't actually pay particularly high salaries. Another good thing I want to say about Milan is that between 2014 and 2018, GDP grew by 9.7% compared to 4.6% for the rest of the country. So let's have a look at some property that you can get in Milan. So I want to start in the very center and around the cathedral, the Duomo. So here I think I found a pretty good apartment. So it's 67 square meters for 520,000 euros. Now you may say that's very expensive, but we are talking about prime real estate in Milan. So let's just have a quick look at what you can get. So there's the actual apartment, entrance, sitting room, again sitting room, again sitting room. Kitchen pretty good, bathroom very good. It's a pretty good bathroom. In actual fact, it is a really good apartment, I think, for the price. Now, normally apartments in the very centre around the cathedral go for 8 to 10,000 euros per square metre, but this is a lot less, and the bedroom's not too bad either. So I think this is a pretty decent apartment, and truthfully, you're not going to get anything much cheaper than this. So again, this, as I say, is in the very center. It's 67 square meters for 520,000 euros. Now, I want to also give you a massive disadvantage of buying property in Milan. And the biggest one is the condominium. So in actual fact, what you pay each month in service charge. And if I take you down here, it's 200 euros a month. In actual fact, for Milan, that, in particular the centre of Milan, that's actually quite low. But nevertheless, 200 euros a month is quite pricey. So next, I want to take you to a second apartment, and this is in the Portavenezia area, which is also, it's a cool area. It's another cool area of Milan. It's actually very, very central as well. So basically around 2 metro stops, you're right in the center to where the cathedral is. You know, it's got shops, restaurants, historic buildings, museums. Actually, lovely area as well. Now, I've got here also a 1-bedroom, bit bigger though, 75 square meters for 430,000 euros. So again, this is not bad for pretty central area of Milan. Living room. It's actually quite spacious, quite light. Bedroom's not too bad, building not too bad. Yeah, its kitchen is not too bad either. And I think that's more than acceptable bathroom. Corridor. Now, I'm not saying these are the best apartments, and they are a lot more expensive than even the capital, Rome, but you've got to consider this is the business capital of Italy. So I also want to take you to another area. This is called Navale. Now, I think Navale area, which is southwest of Milan, is potentially the best area at the moment to buy property. And the reason I say that is because it's actually also reasonably central. Okay, it's a bit more southwest. It is a few metro stops to the very centre, but it is full of life in the evening. You've got 2 canals nearby, bars, restaurant, and also very nearby you've got La Bocconi, which is the most famous university in Italy. It is the equivalent of the Sorbonne in Paris. So again, you're gonna, if you do buy and rent your property here, you are gonna find a lot of students. So let's have a look at this one, this 2-bedroom apartment. It's massive. It's actually 114 square meters for 449,000 euros. So I just want to take you that magnificent bathroom, excellent bedroom, actually nice building as well. And again, good to have a balcony. The bathroom is huge. It's actually really, and that's the entrance. It's actually a massive apartment. It really is. And I would say pretty good value for money. So let's come out of it. Let's have a look at the service charge down here. You must look at it, and it's massive. It's 250 euros a month. So again, this could be a deal breaker. It's 3,000 euros a year in effect, and I think for many people that will be a deal breaker, even if they go to Milan for a lifestyle and buy it for themselves. Let's go to another apartment in the Navale area, and this one is 118 square meters for 454,000 euros. Again, I think this is one of the best apartments I've seen to move into. Fantastic, spacey, courtyard as well. Bathroom is huge. It's actually, I think it's got 2 bathrooms. And the building outside is quite nice. So I think, okay, I've found 2 or 3 pretty good apartments for you already. Now, the condominium here is much better. It's 165 euros a month. So when you do buy in Milan, you really need to look out for the service charge. I mean, I've known some service charges be 350, 400 euros a month. That can easily happen in the centre, especially for the prime real estate. So you've got to be careful. The final area I want to show you, so I've shown you 2 apartments in Navale, I think, which are very good value for money. I want to go to the area of San Siro, and San Siro is also a pretty decent area. It's not quite as nice as Navale, or Portavenezia, obviously the very centre, but a lot of families do live around here. Good nightlife, and very important for football fans, you've got the San Siro Stadium here where Milan and Inter play. So if you want to go and watch a football match, it's very nearby. So this apartment is 470,000 euros, and it's massive. It's 135 square meters. So I think it's a 3-bedroom. But look how light and airy and big it is. So many windows. So if you go outside really the central area of Milan, you do get a lot more, obviously, like in most cities, but this is particularly good. I do like the bedrooms. I actually like a lot of things about this apartment. The bathroom, lovely bathroom, really balcony as well. Yeah, it's a great apartment. So let's just see how much the service charge is, and yeah, we'll go again. It's 250 euros a month, so that's a lot of money. And for San Siro area, I mean, it's a magnificent apartment, I have to admit, but granted, it is a lot of money. Now, I just want to again come to some disadvantages which I've said before about Italy, and I'll say again: the high taxes, red tape, very, very pro-tenant, and in particular to Milan, the rental yields, like Rome, are very low. But in actual fact, in the very centre, the rental yields are even lower than Rome. So you could get easily under 3%, maybe 2.5% for the very centre. And as I've said before, the service charge in Milan is crazy. Even let's say when compared to Rome, it's really going to pay a lot of money. And one other thing I want to talk about is that when you look at prices over the last 7 to 8 years, so if I go back to the beginning of 2013, in the center, actually no, I'll take the average actually. In 2013, the average price per square meter in Rome was 4,350 euros. And that actually went down to 3,270 euros as of April 2021, whereas in Milan it was 3,900 euros at the beginning of 2013, and it's actually gone up to 4,800 euros as of April 2021. So in actual fact, whereas property in Rome was more expensive, about 10 to 15% more expensive, actually now Rome is a lot cheaper. So again, I'll repeat, in Milan now it's 4,800 euros per square meter on average, and in Rome it's only 3,270 euros. So that would imply perhaps Milan is starting to get overpriced, and in particular a lot of foreign investment has gone in the last 3 years. That said, I also want to point out Milan is the second most densely populated city in Italy. It's more densely populated than Rome, and only Naples beats Milan for population density. So would I invest in Milan? I myself would say no. I think it's more or less more of a lifestyle investment again, as I think I would say most of Italy is lifestyle investment. If you want to go and live there, that's absolutely fine. But again, there are better places to invest. But if you do like Milan, I don't think property prices are going to crash. But honestly, I mean, I don't think prices are going to go up at all in the next 3 to 4 years. Anyway, that's it for today. Let me know your thoughts on Milan. Do you like Milan compared to other cities in Italy or any other places in Italy? Have you ever considered buying? Your comments are always appreciated, and I'll see you very soon on the next video. Thank you and bye.